Hi, welcome to Cynthia Global Travelers Realtor Tips, Tricks, Words, and Gifts for the month of December. I'm looking forward to spending the month with you and teaching you all kinds of new things and giving you gifts, which is what December is all about. So please stay with us. Once you get your word or your tip, then at the end, just like us and subscribe, and you'll continue to get the new words updated daily. On this 27th day of December, Cynthia's Realtor word for thee, Xeriscaping. It's a creative and sustainable landscaping that conserves water and is based on sound horticultural practices. The process was originally developed for drought-affected areas and is best for areas with water restrictions. In xeriscaping, the need for maintenance is minimal and water requirements are low. The practice relies on using local plants accustomed to the climate and getting the most out of everything that you plant. Homeowners can lessen the impact on their local environment by creating this type of sustainable landscape. A good xeriscape can also raise property values more than extensive landscaping. Who would have thought? Hey, I'm wearing this silly costume. The least you can do is hit subscribe below and join me for the rest of the videos.